Today I'm going to share with you this fishing bell. Okay, this is our bell. It is easy to use. Just this one, attach your rod. When the fish comes, it's going to ring like that. This one, because you shouldn't wait, you shouldn't look the rod every time. Just wait. When the bell ring, go and check your rod. Let's put it. We are going to put, and we are going to sit our chair and wait. Look at this is how it looks like. When the fish comes, the bell will ring like that. Okay, look at. Also, this is great for night fishing. You can even attach a small light, making it easier to see rod after dark. The metal bells are loud enough to hear, so you know right away when it's time to grab the rod. They are small, lightweight, and easy to keep in your tackle box, so you can always bring few with you. Let's wait the fish come or not. Look at, fish is biting. Look at. Look, fish is biting. Oh, let's look.